I'm in the party shop at Michael's to announce I have assumed control of the Michael's Party Planning Committee to share my party planning expertise. For example, Michael's has thousands of party supplies starting at just 99 cents. 3 question marks is not an appropriate end time on a party invite. Just tell people when to leave your house. If you ever think, do I have enough balloons? You don't. Match the napkins to the plates, not the other way around. Label the spicy dip, okay, people? If nobody knows your theme, there probably isn't one. Blue is not a theme, it's a color. But Bluey is both. If there's no cake, it's a meeting, not a party. Michael's inflates balloons for free. It's a tiki party, not a tacky party. Glitter is your best friend and possibly magical. And if Michael's doesn't have it, your party doesn't need it.